Bosco CBSE School at Kamalnagar, Gunadala, Vijayawada is a home not only for the children but also for the staff. Our management gives us a lot of support and motivation. They always keep us updated, strengthen us psychologically, and above all, pray for us and our families, which is a great blessing. It is an excellent institution whose primary vision is quality education and contribution towards creating a better society. The fantastic infrastructure, spacious, bright and colorful classrooms, so well decorated by the teachers and students' activities add a lot of life to everyone around. The day would start with a prayer and end with a smile. It's a school with a great focus on the values of every child and a holistic development of children. The large playground where the children learned to run, jump, play different games like football, basketball, cricket, etc. It's a place where physical education is given equal importance and children are not just glued to the classrooms. The management always encourages a lot of fun-filled activities for the children, which help in better interaction between teachers and students. They also believe in their teachers and maintain a friendly behavior. Implementation of new techniques for better knowledge is always encouraged. Students are very active, healthy, open, and always smiling, which radiates their happiness in coming to school. They speak English fluently and are taught to have a lot of respect for their parents, teachers, and all elders. The environment of the school, warmth of teachers, and the generous and caring nature of the classmates is something to be admired. Personal interaction with teachers was always a priority rather than depending on devices. Students are secure physically and mentally. Respect is a quality that is promoted and is a fundamental aspect of an effective, safe school, which is highly important in today's scenario. As everything seemed to be on cloud nine, when all of a sudden, due to the situation being so critical, the lockdown in the country was a bombshell. No one knew what's waiting for the next day. During this time, the school management took up the responsibility of conducting online classes by making great efforts with their constant encouragement, especially during this pandemic where most of us teachers were going haywire due to the sudden switch from classroom to online teaching. The management was extremely confident of their teachers and positive about the teachers doing their very best, and they always encouraged us with their continuous assurance and cooperation to attend various webinars concerning virtual teaching, which we are successfully conducting the online classes and hope to do even better in future. Online classes in schools are an invention of the present crisis. It was a new challenge to everyone, be it students, teachers, parents, and school staff. Although the school has been off, but learning hasn't. Besides, many other cultural activities and social programs have been going on successfully. On Independence Day, Teachers' Day, Gandhi Jayanti, and hopefully will continue till the end of this crisis. Our principal not only assures us but also directs us in our work. Parents and children are extremely enthusiastic. in completing their work and activities on time, for which the management and teachers are extremely grateful for their constant cooperation.